Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you want to learn how to delete your comments on TikTok, just keep on watching because we prepared a step-by-step tutorial for you. First step, open TikTok on your phone and make sure that you are logged in. Once you've opened TikTok, press the profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here, press the three lines at the top right corner of your screen. Then, press Settings and Privacy, and under Settings and Privacy, look for Comment and Watch History, which is just below the Live option. Once you're here, press Comment History and you'll see all the comments that you've made on different posts. Just click the comment that you want to delete and it will redirect you to the post where you commented, and just long press the comment and press delete. Just like that, your comment will be deleted. Then you can go back to your comment history, look for a comment you want to delete, press it, and then long press your comment. And then once again, just press delete. And that's how easy it is to delete comments on TikTok. If this video helped you, as always, don't forget to press like and subscribe. We hope to see you again on our next videos.